बट मेरी दुल्हन तो आज़ादी है। I just need to introduce to some of the incident that happened with me for the time being. Was like one guy in this Scorpio just made me stop in the middle of the highway. Yes, in the middle of the highway, and he didn't have any. I didn't do anything wrong. He was just a bit drunk, and he just stopped me just because he wanted to, let me take extra precaution because we travel on 2 wheels and they travel on 4 wheels. And he said that he recently lost one of his friends, his close one, who met with an accident on a bike. He said he, warned me that I need to take extra precaution because I being on a 2-wheel and the other fellow don't realize that they're being in a car or in a truck or on a 4-wheel, actually what he meant. So he said that you need to take extra precaution. So I was a little worried, I was a little bit scared that I did something wrong while I was following my lane, and it made me, I was so scared that maybe, he might pull out some weapon, or he might pull out some thing which might hurt me. But he was so good and he was so so generous in talking and just letting me know that I need, because I'm on a 2-wheel, I need to be extra cautious and need to take extra care because other fellows don't follow rules and regulations. And because of that only he lost his close friend of his who was driving a 2-wheeler. So had a little bit of chit chat, and I thanked him that even I do the same thing of letting the other person know that we being on a 2-wheel, we ride safe, but you guys need to be extra cautious. And that made me feel so good, so good. I wasn't about to vlog about this thing, and I had my GoPro back in my bag, but just because of this incident I took out my GoPro and wanted to talk to you about this thing. So guys, I know you guys on a 2-wheeler, or if you see other fellows who's driving, don't confront him, don't talk to them while on a highway and all. Let them stop for a minute, catch them on a red light, try to be polite to them and talk to them and tell them where they were wrong. And I felt so good. At least there are fellow people who stop by and just let you know that we do care for you. And it feels so good. It felt so good, I tell you. ये देखो क्या शादी में है बाबू? What is he trying to do? I don't get it. Aren't you scared? Aren't you scared of height, bro? But this is pretty amazing. The male and the female version. And they're too scared, I tell you. And he's so curious. Oh, there they are. There are two others as well. Well, you won't believe what I just saw. I'm like, seriously, man. What kind of car is this, man? I'm so amazed. You just have a look. It feels so good. It feels so good. You know? And the voice and the and the noise. Oh, what was that? और बच्चों कैसे हो? निकाल दो भाई.